Complete shutdown will be observed in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir tomorrow to mark the Kashmir Martyrs Day. According to Kashmir Media Service, the strike is the final program of the Martyrs Week, call for which was given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and supported by all pro-freedom organizations to commemorate the martyrdom of 22 Kashmiris who were killed by the forces of Dogra ruler on July 13, 1931. They were buried at Martyrs Graveyard Naqshband Sahib in Srinagar. The people will assemble at the Martyrs Graveyard to offer Fatiha for the departed souls. These 22 martyrs were part of thousands of people who had assembled outside Central Jail Srinagar on July 13, 1931 during the court proceeding against one Abdul Qadir who had asked people to defy the Dogra rule. At the time of Namaz-e-Zohar, a young man started azan and was shot dead by the Dogra soldiers. Another took his place and he too was martyred by the troops. 22 youth lost their lives till the azan was completed. The IIOJK leadership in a statement in Srinagar said that the sacred blood of these martyrs ignited the candle of freedom in Jammu and Kashmir. The IIOJK condemned the fresh killing spree unleashed by the troops in the territory and urged the OIC Secretary General and the UN Chief to stop India from its state terrorism in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and resolve the lingering Kashmir dispute in accordance with the UN resolutions. IIOJK leaders Naeem Ahmed Khan, Abdul Ahad Para, Firdaus Ahmed Shah, Syed Bashir Andrabi, Zamruda Habib, Yasmin Raja, Ghulam Muhammad Khan Supori and IIOJK convener Mahmood Ahmed Sagar in their statements and messages said that the unprecedented sacrifices rendered by the people of Kashmir for the freedom would not be allowed to go waste. Indian troops continued their cordon and search operation on the second consecutive day today in Riban area of Shopian district. The troops suspended mobile internet services in the area. In India, the Communist Party of India Marxist took a strong exception to the Hindu puja performed by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi before the unveiling of the national emblem. The party said that India by its constitution is a secular country and it does not allow the state to profess or practice any religion.